So let us now look a little bit more in detail of all the other functionalities who are available on our Gallus label fire. We start now here in the on-wind section. We have here an on-wind module who is capable to load 40-inch bobbins or approximately 1 meter in the diameter. We have then a web edge control system with an integrated splice module. After that, with the dancer system, we have the tension always under control directly in front of the infeed unit. This small sensoric, what you see here, is the splice detector. So if we detect the splice at the beginning of the press, our digital engine will go in safe position that we never have some accidents in the DPU. After that, we have a cleaning system. This cleaning system is for both sides to get out the dust in the press. After that, with our web tension controls, we have also the web tension always ready for the rest of our printing engine. Direct below, we see here the corona treatment to control the surface energy of our materials, that we have a defined spreading of the drops who we apply then with our inkjet engine. Here we see then the primering or the conventional pre-stuff in the front end of the DPU. Here we have the capability to have flexo stations or also screen stations when you need really high opaque white solids in front of our engine. We have the secondary section who we have different capabilities with cold foil, what you see here, or also lamination or other stuffs who we need in front of the DPU. Below, we have also the capability to mount functionalities. We have here a web turning bar or a DLAM ReLAM station. The full range of conventional functions are available in our hybrid solution. Again, directly in front of the DPU, we have an additional web thickness controller. This web thickness controller goes over the whole web width and control every thickness of the web who goes in the DPU. Again, a protection system. And after that, we have our DPU, Eva has already explained, with the 1200 dpi Fuji Dynamics technology inside. Direct after that, we have an additional corona treatment unit to make also the surface tension of our inkjet inks exactly with the right energy, that we have it ready for the conventional part for direct overprinting or over varnishing with spot or full flat. After this flexo station, we have an additional digital module. This digital module is named DEU, Digital Embellishment Unit. It was a co-development with Steinemann. They are also located here directly in Senegal. This module is equipped with 600 dpi RICO technology. With this module, we are capable to make different applications. We can do spot varnishings, gloss and matte, and can also do metallic effects like cold foil flat or three-dimensional metallic effects. It looks then like an embossing. Direct after that, we have again a flexo station who can project with varnish the cold foil, or you can imprint a spot color if you need it. Here we then have our die cutter, and it's not a normal die cutter, it's a semi-rotative system. So we can change the repetition length without changing the magnetic cylinder inside. You have just to insert the sheets of the die cutting and can then produce directly. Of course, after that we have our matrix rewinder to strip the label, that you then have at the end a nice and ready label after the production. Below our outfeed tension control, we have the web vision system that our operator, Paolo, always have the full at the end production on the control. Direct after that, we have the slitting device in two options. The easy one with the razor bladers or the Jidland for longer productions. This nice area here is our inspection desk. Here we can set out some samples for our fully automated substrate qualification or just to look to the finished label. Below that we have the twin rewinder, who is capable also when you have slitted to rewind the bobbins nice and smooth.